Hi. In this section we will talk about the purpose and benefits of enterprise architecture. Before we understand the purpose of enterprise architecture, let's consider an insurance company as an enterprise. Let's say the name of the company is Any Insurance. Have a quick look on both the diagram. The diagram in the left at first glance depicts that this organization is running and managed with 500 applications. However, the diagram in the right for the same organization Any Insurance after few years looks more clean, efficient and having common application framework which is easily understandable. But how do you reach to this state is the question in hand. The purpose of enterprise architecture is to optimize across the enterprise the often fragmented legacy of processes, both manual and automated, into an integrated environment that is responsive to change and supportive of the delivery of the business strategy. Today's CEOs know that the effective management and exploitation of information through IT is a key factor to business success, and an indispensable means to achieving competitive advantage. An enterprise architecture addresses this need, by providing a strategic context for the evolution of the IT system in response to the constantly changing needs of the business environment. Furthermore, a good enterprise architecture enables you to achieve the right balance between IT efficiency and business innovation. It allows individual business units to innovate safely in their pursuit of competitive advantage. At the same time, it ensures the needs of the organization for an integrated IT strategy are met, permitting the closest possible synergy across the extended enterprise. The advantages that result from a good enterprise architecture bring important business benefits, which are clearly visible in the net profit or loss of a company or organization. Here are the few benefits. Point 1. A more efficient business operation. What does it mean to us? It means lower business operation costs, more agile organization, business capabilities shared across the organization, lower change management costs, more flexible workforce, improved business productivity. Point 2. A more efficient IT operation, lower software development, support, and maintenance costs, increased portability of applications, improved interoperability and easier system and network management, improved ability to address critical enterprise-wide issues like security, easier upgrade and exchange of system components. Point 3. Better return on existing investment, reduced risk for future investment which means reduced complexity in the business and IT, maximum return on investment in existing business and IT infrastructure, the flexibility to make, buy, or outsource business and IT solutions, reduced risk overall in new investments and their cost of ownership. Point 4. Faster, simpler, and cheaper procurement as a result. Buying decisions are simpler, because the information governing procurement is readily available in a coherent plan. The procurement process is faster, maximizing procurement speed and flexibility, without sacrificing architectural coherence, the ability to procure heterogeneous, multi-vendor open systems, the ability to secure more economic capabilities.